Hello everybody, this is Dr. Locks. Welcome to my channel and welcome to vlog 128 of the hashtag 365 hour series. In the box today we have a series 20 American lock, which I'm going to try. I'll give a little hybrid pick too. I'll add it then for a sec. There we go. Got there in the end. So, American Lock Series 20 with a little hybrid pick. I had to go in with the, I went in with the, no, not that one. With the Bogota from the Jimmy Longs, and then I finished the job with this bad boy, one of my favourites, the old Twin Peak from Cobra Instruments. So nice little lock. I'll be honest, the only reason I've had to hybrid pick that is because I can't SPP it, and that's just how it is. I haven't been able to for a long time. I do struggle with the slightly mushier pins that you don't get any much feedback, and these ain't got much feedback. I reckon these are the standard pins in this, pretty sure they are. Which makes it a more difficult pick for me. I don't know if anyone else finds that, but yeah, nice little lock, nice one for the collection anyway. Nice little brass one. You don't see many of these. I haven't seen many anyway. So yeah, happy with that. So American Lock Series 20 complete with a little hybrid pick. That's special. If you've watched this today, thank you very much. I hope everyone has a wonderful day. See you later.